In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the reverse function in Capcut on your iPhone. So whether you're looking to add a creative twist to your videos, or just curious about how reversing a clip can enhance your storytelling, you're in the right place. Let's dive in. Firstly, grab your iPhone and fire up the Capcut app. If you're new to Capcut, you'll find it's a powerful, user-friendly video editing app that you can download from the App Store. Once you have the app open, you'll want to add the video you wish to work on to your timeline. To do this, locate and tap on the New Project button, which allows you to access your video library. Browse through your library, select the video you want to reverse, and it will appear on the timeline ready for editing. Now that your video is on the timeline, the next step is to tap the clip. Tapping the clip ensures that it's selected and ready for any modifications you'd like to make. You'll know the clip is selected when you see a white outline around it. Selecting the clip is crucial because without this step, the reverse option won't be accessible in the menu. Next, turn your attention to the bottom menu. This menu contains a myriad of editing tools that Capcut offers. Scroll through the options until you locate the reverse button. Once you find it, give it a tap to initiate the reversing process. The reverse function flips your video, making it play backward, which can create unique visual effects or convey a specific narrative. Now here's where you need to exercise a bit of patience. After you've tapped reverse, you'll need to wait for the app to process the effect. Typically this only takes a few seconds, but the duration might vary depending on the length and complexity of your video. During this time, Capcut is working its magic to seamlessly reverse your footage, so hang tight. Once the processing is complete, it's time to preview your creation. Hit the play button to watch your video and see the reverse effect in action. This is a good moment to ensure everything looks just the way you envisioned. If something seems off, you can always go back and tweak your work until you're satisfied. Finally, after reviewing and ensuring your video is exactly how you want it, you're ready for the last step, exporting. Tap the export button, typically located at the top right corner of the screen. Capcut will export your video with the reverse effect applied, ready for you to share on social media or keep as part of your personal collection. And that's it. Now you know how to effectively use the reverse function in Capcut on your iPhone. It's a simple yet powerful tool that can transform your videos into something truly captivating. Thanks for watching, and happy editing.